Today I have two guest bartenders whipping up a couple of killer cocktails for us. First out is Jason, longtime slasher, newbie bartender. Jason enjoys hacking up teenagers at Camp Crystal Lake, New Jersey on pretty much every Friday the 13th. It kind of has become a tradition of his. You should go check it out sometime. It's quite the bloodbath. Or you can simply follow my boy on TikTok where he puts up GoPro footage of his everyday killings. Jason, what will you be making for us today? Oh right, I forget, you don't say much. Jason will be making us a Corpse Reviver number 1, not the number 2. I already did that. Anyway, let's stop killing time. Let's get started. Okay, easy, Tiger. What? No, wait, come back, Jason. He's so sensitive. And there you have it, Corpse Reviver number 1. Great job, Jason. Thanks a lot. Next up is Joanne, your not-so-friendly neighborhood clown. When Joanne is not abducting and torturing her victims, she enjoys long walks in the sewers, knitting, and making fun of Pennywise on social media. Joanne will be making a daiquiri variation for us, and the recipe calls for simple syrup, but she brought her own special ingredient to make the cocktail more interesting, she says. I think it's Grenadine. I hope it's Grenadine? Anyway, let's make a captain's blood.
Blood still black Jamaican rum.
Alright, stop clowning around.
Oh, where's that blood?
And that's it, kids. I hope you'll have a terrifying Halloween. And please remember to drink somewhat responsibly.